So hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the Easy Peasy Craft series. Okay, so we have taken some clay pieces here and on a bottle, plastic bottle, we have arranged them the way shown and your ducky duck, random things the names. Okay, so your ducky duck pan hole was all done. Now moving forward, we have again taken the clay and this one is going to be a clay kind of a video. So you're making your penguin here and you can make as many as creature little miniature toys with the clay. We are teaching you a few of them. So yeah, your penguin is all done and he's looking quite cute. Okay, so your brinjal is the next. So take your clays and start rolling them. We are here to teach you something with your clays now. Okay, so your brinjal is all done. Now moving forward, again take your clays and cut it. Okay, now roll and I think we are making sun here. Okay, oh, we are making flowers here. You can take different type of clays and make your, oh god. These are your flowers or your cats or your lions, I just don't know. Okay, so you can make your person's hair with this and make different styles. Okay, some of them are quite funny, so you can actually make the hairs. And okay, clay is a very useful thing, I must say. So we're making a small cute strawberries here and yeah. Okay, strawberry is kind of an exotic fruit, but now it used to be quite, but now I think it's available almost everywhere. So you all must have tasted it once, though I might not have. Okay, we are making your turtles here. Turtles or tortoise, please tell me because I'm not sure about it. Every time I'm like, okay, I don't know if it is a turtle or tortoise, but I'll just name it turtle. If next time it comes, I'll say tortoise. Okay, make peace with it. Okay, so we are just making a pumpkin here. Okay, it reminds you of Halloween. Okay, now taking some, okay, so much fun with colors. Now we will take the white ones and colors are, essential. So we have taken the colors again. Now, what is this? Oh, okay, he's a snowman kind of a thing, something. Okay. So now we are making these doggies here. You can actually call them doggies. No, but doggies don't have these horns. Okay, so what it is? A deer? A cow? A buffalo? I'm not sure. Of you tell me. Okay, so moving forward, again taking a red. Okay, we are making an apple here. See, apple is a very cute fruit. Cute fruit. Okay, a fun fact about apple is that I heard about it that it's not even a true fruit. It's a false fruit. You all must be thinking, what do you mean by false fruit? So it's actually not a seed wala fruit. It generates from the thalamus. Now you all must be thinking what I'm saying. So go Google it, yeah. Okay, so birthday cake is all done. Oh my god, who's turning 61? Or you can just rearrange the numbers and it might be 16, 19, 91. Okay, so moving forward, we are making here is I love black color, but I think it is blue. My phone. Okay, so that was your egg in your frying pan. This is kind of break from my voice, so I was not stop. Take care and bye bye.